How to build a website with Thrive themes. Now I'm going to give you my full Thrive themes review in this video here today, and I'm going to share with you how I've actually been using it in my business for 4 years now, and I can say with complete confidence that it has served me very well over those last 4 years. And even after trying a bunch of different other WordPress themes, website builders, funnel builders, I can definitely say Thrive Themes is definitely one of my best and most favorite tools. And there's a lot of reasons for that. Firstly, one reason is because of the price range. The pricing is so good for a single business owner, a single solopreneur, or that type of stuff. Also, the products are virtually the least bug or the most bug-free software that I've ever used across multiple different types of niches. And then thirdly, the product is just really world-class, and it makes it really simple to build a world-class design using Thrive themes. And I know I'm not a designer myself or a developer, but I know that a lot of other designers and developers do like it as well. So let's dive into today's video right now, and I'm going to start with the actual landing page itself. And their selling point, Thrive Themes' selling point, is their conversion focused WordPress themes and plugin. So this is specifically for WordPress. If you are completely set on using WordPress, then there's absolutely no doubt that I would have in using Thrive Themes for pretty much everything that you need to do within your business, whether that's building websites, building funnels, collecting leads, increasing your conversion rates, building a membership area. So you still need a membership plugin to go on top of the membership design, but they help you put together a really great course membership design as well. So you can talk about, see everything here that the people are talking about, but their flagship products are obviously then the Thrive Theme Builder. So they have Thrive Themes, which is a full WordPress theme, and then they have Thrive Architect, which is basically just a landing page builder. I mean, you can definitely build an entire website just with Thrive Architect on its own. However, the theme builder gives you a little bit more flexibility of things that you want to do as well. So that's Thrive Architect there. I'm going to give you a full rundown of the actual builder itself very, very soon in this video. Thrive Leads is also another plugin that I use quite often. What I like about Thrive Leads is they make it really easy to split test. They make it really easy to track your impressions and then your conversions, and it's just an all-round great tool. They've also got a bunch of really cool designs completely built into the Thrive Leads plugin as well. I've used the quiz builder. It's quite intuitive and quite a simple plugin, which you can definitely use. However, I'm not going to run through that in today's video. And then on top of that, they've got Thrive Apprentice, which is building your online courses, Thrive Comments to make commenting and engaging fun, Thrive Optimize so you can split test landing pages, Thrive Ultimatum is their countdown timer campaign, so they can lock up different pages based on a countdown timer. This is the only tool, the only part of this software that I don't recommend. It's just not very intuitive, and they've definitely missed the mark on this particular one, but everything else they've definitely hit the mark. So instead of Thrive Ultimatum, I'll recommend Deadline Funnel. I'll have a link down below if you want to check out my full marketing tech vault training series, where you can check out more about Deadline Funnel. Or if you're already in that series, then there'll be a link back on the dashboard page of where you can go to check that out. And then Thrive Ovation is a good way to gather and display testimonials, which is super important when building an online business. So you can get all of this involved in their marketing, in their Thrive membership, and you get all of those things that I just mentioned all the way through here. They've also got widgets and stuff that you can add on, but the price for Thrive Themes, so the membership itself, I believe is like $19. So $19 a month. Super cheap, right? Especially if you compare it to others out there that are starting at $97 a month. So really great option. And if you are an agency, then paying just $49 a month annually to use on up to 50 of your sites and your clients' websites, that's like cheap as chips, right? So super cool. Now, once you do come in and you've loaded this into WordPress, so they actually have a plugin where you can just download that into WordPress, put in your username and your password, and then that will automatically install all of the products that you want to install into WordPress. And that way it's so much easier to update and just keep everything within the one plugin rather than trying to download a zip file for each and every part of these tools and then uploading into WordPress. That would take you ages, so they've made it really easy to do that as well. Once you've got it installed and activate it, then this is what will show. So like I said, I pretty much only use Thrive Leads, Thrive Architect, and then the Rise theme. I've just found Rise to be the best and most suitable one for what I've been wanting to achieve. They've got user access management, so if you just have a VAs working for you or other members in your team that you want to give specific access, then you can do that. API connection, so this is how you can connect your email marketing tools to the actual plugins itself. So for example, I've got ActiveCampaign connected to Thrive Leads, so every time someone opts into Thrive Leads, then they get then we can direct them into ActiveCampaign wherever we need to. You can download a bunch of icons, general settings, analytics and scripts, so they make it quite easy to add analytics and scripts across all of your website. Smart site, so you can add in specific variables like your business name, your business location, all that type of stuff, and then you just use a short code on the website itself. And then one of my favorite ones is global elements. I'm actually going to go into that because one of the more frustrating things with a lot of the really flexible builders is that when you're creating certain pages, you have to recreate the headers and footers over and over again, or save them as a template and then upload that template into each and every design. They make it really simple to create footers and headers and symbols, which I'm going to talk about symbols in a couple of minutes on another page, so that you just simply upload them into your site, and when you want to make a change, instead of changing it on every single page, then as soon as you make an update to this particular section here, it'll update your entire website globally. So it just saves you so much time. Now, that is also the same thing with a symbol. So what a symbol is with Thrive themes is you can save any section at all as a symbol. So like this bottom section here is a call to action. So this call to action, when we're building online summits, for example, we're going to have this call to action on at least 5 of the pages, depending on how we structure the virtual summit, sometimes up to maybe 20 or 30 pages. So if at any time I want to change this call to action, normally what you would need to do is go through to each and every single section on those 30 odd pages and update them individually. Now, the best thing with Thrive themes is you can save this as a symbol, which means as soon as you update one page, it's going to update all of those pages that you've saved that symbol on. So in order for me to change that now, I've already saved it as a symbol. I just come over here and click edit symbol, and then I can change any of these elements within this symbol. And as soon as I do, so let's just say that I just want to unbold that button, for example, and I click done. After I've clicked done and then I hit save my work, that's going to update every single page that this symbol appears on. So like I said, if you've got this on 30 different pages and you just do this on one page, it's saving you at least probably an hour's work, right? So super easy to do, so super effective. One of the best ideas. I see very few other builders actually have something similar to this. So that's my favorite part of this tool, and it's what really sets it apart. But as you can see, we create great designs with this, from your wavy borders and stuff, to getting access to pretty much any fonts and stuff that you need from Google or from wherever. You've got your countdown timers, pretty much every element you can think of. Thrive have already thought of for you, and they've got it there ready to go. Even down to having some pre-built templates. So if I add in a guarantee box, for example, what will pop up are a templates box, and I can just easily implement a guarantee template into here. They've got a couple of dozen here where we can implement. We just click on that, add that into our website. It already looks amazing as is. They've also already got some copy in there. So then all you need to do is just go in and change your font to whatever font that you're using, and it's pretty much done, right? And it just makes it so easy to do. So that's one thing that I like about it. And then because you are using the Thrive Themes membership, pretty much everything that you need is then built into the sidebar here. So it just makes it so easy to implement everything. Another thing that I do like, and we do this a lot because we're always building the same types of websites on different domains, is that we can save landing pages and then we can export them and upload them super easily. So all I'd need to do is just export that landing page as a zip, and then if I wanted to upload anything, then I can import that landing page as a zip as well, and it'll just import straight in. You go ahead and change it to your own branding for that site, and it's all completely done. So like I said, pretty much all of my main website is built on this. When we're doing online summits, we build with Thrive themes as well, and I couldn't be happier with the results. So there is a link down below if you're in the Tech Vault that you can get access to Thrive themes. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll leave a link in the description as well. But if there was any, if you were completely on building your website and your entire business on WordPress, then I would absolutely go ahead and use this particular WordPress plugin because it's without a doubt one of the best ones on the market. And then in order to complete that particular business, I'd also use ActiveCampaign, I would also use ThriveCart, and I would also use MemberMouse as your plugin for your membership area. And all of those can be found in the Tech Vault, so go ahead and watch those now. If you're not opted into that yet, click the link down below, opt in, get access to my entire Tech Vault where I talk about 20 plus tools that you need to build a successful online business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.